If your LinkedIn profile looks like this in 2026 also, the recruitment system might reject you for shortlisting. So in the next 7 minutes, I'll show you the exact LinkedIn setup that helps you get more exposure in 2026. So stay tuned till the end to level up yourself. Now this time, let's edit my own LinkedIn profile. So there is mainly 7 things you need to focus on, and let's proceed one by one. The 7 things are headline, profile picture, banner, about, URL, featured content, and internship referrals. If you neglect any of these, your profile rank might get lower and lower. Now, with the help of the AI, let us build our profile professionally this time. Look at my previous profile. It is not that bad, but also it's not that looking professionally. So let's start with the headline. Headline is the main thing, what makes you separate from the crowd. It must tell you who you are and what you do. I'm giving one prompt where there is some blank spaces for you guys. Fill them to get the best professional headline for you. And use the ChatGPT to paste this prompt. I'll ping this prompt in the description. So if you see, this perfectly matches me, and I'm gonna keep this one on my LinkedIn profile. The next big thing is your profile picture in your LinkedIn. Previously, I used to keep this picture of mine, but now I have decided to level up myself also. Now, the main question is how to get this type of professional image. So copy the prompt which I have pinned in the description and paste the one in the ChatGPT along with your image. Now look at one of the examples what ChatGPT has given to me. In the matter of fact, I'm currently using this image which has been given by the ChatGPT right now. And here is the best part. This prompt ensures that you are the one in it, no face change or hairstyle change. It's basically a proper professional one, so try it with a good image of you. Don't hesitate to try with different images, okay? Now, moving on to the next section, about. This is where the LinkedIn algorithm uses its power, so be careful guys before you add this about section. I'm giving you the best prompt template for the about section. So it basically asks you to fill these empty spaces which tell the ChatGPT about you, and then it eventually provides you the best about section guys. I have tried this so many times to get the best template for you. So like this video if any information helps you, and do not forget we are very close to 10k of subscribers. So make it 10k. So now actually the LinkedIn by default gives us the URL which is a combination of random numbers. So I'll tell you now how to change randoms into something which look good on your resume. If you guys come to this window, here you get an edit option to customize your own URL link for your LinkedIn profile. Do not skip this URL and make sure you change this into something useful, okay? Moving on to the next section, it's the featured content. So basically, it's the face of the LinkedIn profile. If anyone comes, like any recruiter comes to your profile and opens your LinkedIn profile, then they're going to see the featured content right after they open your profile. This is exactly the face of your LinkedIn profile. So I want you guys to upload anything regarding your internships or experiences or any project related things which you have done, so that the LinkedIn profile will get some weightage of worthiness to it. So I highly recommend you guys to do the featured content very properly, okay? In my opinion, it's basically your experience, what you have, or your GitHub profiles or any internship you have done that is going to give some worthiness to your profile, okay? Now I'll give you the link for the Canva. When you guys come here, just type here like the LinkedIn banner, okay? So once you type in the LinkedIn banner, there will be so many options, like you can choose like anything which you like, and you need to remember that it must be matching your profile picture, okay? I'm again telling you there is a lot of free banners, LinkedIn banners in the Canva, okay? Just head over here. So now I just like this one. Just if you also like this one, you can edit them. So I just like this one, just click on it and then just edit your name. And I personally use Poppins as my LinkedIn banner tag. The Poppins, because the Poppins text will always look professional. And then after you edit your name, you also need to edit your profession. Like I'm a data science and AI engineer, like I'm a student. So I'm a data science and AI student, so I'll just keep AI and data science learner here. And then you need to add your email address also here. Don't forget to add your email address, it looks very professional. Once you complete it, just download it and save it somewhere in your computer, and then open your LinkedIn, click here the icon where you need to edit your banner. So after that, click change image, choose your image and then upload it. So adjust according to your profile picture and then upload it. So like this you can get a better link. Moving on to the last but not least, the internship referrals. So many of you guys previously asked me and commented for the how to ask the internships from the recruiters or like from any employees who are working in the specific company. So the internship referrals works like this. You guys need to understand one thing. The referrals will help the people. The referrals will also help the person who gave the referral to you. It's like helping each other. The person who gives you refer will definitely get some bonus in their company. So they'll definitely try to refer you if you guys have the skills and requirement in the company. So now how to approach them and ask them to give referral in a professional way. So I'm gonna give you a pro prompt template for you in the description. Do not forget to check it out, the description. It contains a lot of things right now. So just paste this prompt in the ChatGPT. It will give you a proper message what you need to send to the person who you are basically asking for the referral. So for example, look at this one. And do not forget to fill the blanks in the prompt, okay? So I personally used this trick and also got so many referrals and replies from them. Once the ChatGPT has given you the proper message, do not forget to edit it like your name or their name and the company, etc. And then only after editing you need to send the message to the recruitment or any person who is giving you the referral. So guys, if you are looking for a proper video how to get the referrals, so just comment down below. I'll just make a dedicated video on it so that you can get so much information and also some help from me. And also do not forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.